Hi, my name is Christel and I'm from Space to Love, and this is Space to Love Quick Tips. All right, to maximize space in a small kitchen, we're going to be adding shelves. So if you have a stove that does not have a hood, the best place to add shelves is right above the stove. And I got these great shelves from Ikea, which are super inexpensive, easy to install, and they look amazing. So here we put spices and we put other things that would normally be on the countertop, but obviously there is no counter space in this kitchen, so we added those shelves and it really maximized the space. Again, you want to think if you can't go horizontally, you definitely want to go vertical. And also with these cabinets, when we looked at these cabinets, it actually originally only had one shelf, which didn't really work too well because we needed as much space as possible. So I took the shelf out, went to Home Depot, got it cut the same size, and then I got white contact paper and covered both of them to make it look cohesive, and then just got new brackets and put those in. And then it gave them the extra space on the top shelf, which was awesome. I hope you found these quick tips useful. And if you have any useful tips of your own, please comment below. We'd love to hear about it. And thanks for watching. Till next time.